Ndị Igbo ana m ekele unu niile, ndị ọgọ m ana m ekele unu niile. And famụrụ m na Ajegule. And ndị Igbo nọ na kọmpanị anyị na Ajegule. Mbọsị m nọ na nwa obere, a na-aga ala Igbo. Mma m ga-asị ka kwụrụ m laa na be ha. So efe m bụmbara, ana m ekele unu niile.
Somebody call my name Showkey. People they call him my name Showkey. Daddy Showkey, yeah, you come back again. Me come again, I tell me come back again. Mama them.
My full name na John Odafe Asiemo. They born me for Ajegule. I grew for Ajegule, but my parents come from Delta, from Isoko. My father come from a place called Olomoro. Why I talk say my father come? Because me Ajegule them born me. Ajegule them I grow. I don't know anywhere. If I don't be that Showkey, my people don't go know me. Because for street, I mean I grow. And for that street where they grow, nobody know where I come from. For him, Ajegule that time, nobody know where I come from. Somebody say I be Yoruba. Somebody say I be this. That's why me and take Ajegule play. Today, I be Olorogo John Odafe Asiemo. You understand? But my life, where my mama, my back off from, they be Soko. Me say I be Soko.
I beg you, please speak your language.
Ha, mereji Soko gagana, mereji Soko zizi. You understand? Mo we Soko, the me John Odafe Asiemo. Merovo bone, me Yoruba Igbo bio. Isoko ado, Isoko ado, Isoko ado.
Yeah. You said Habundi Ogogi. Does it mean you are?
No, unye mbo sorry, onye abia. Then onye mbo onye kwano oboro no sa so ndị Igbo niile bụ ndị ọgọ.
Your slangs. No kind, ponkelebe. Chocho. Soshi. Oh.
See, all those things, they're like no kind. Now when I come back from Germany, 96, and for Germany they go say kind problem. Kind problem. So when I come back, if people don't say no kind. No kind means no. You know, somebody no, kind and no. Kind problem means a no problem. But me, I can't pick the no problem, the kind. I mean, when I say no kind. There are people they say, so I say kind. But I don't say no. Me say you no. They say you no. You understand? Then, Bonkelebe, na word. Where are they for sleep? Na my word. Because I see me so, you have to sushi me.
What is sushi?
Sushi me, say, look me. Are they good? Ndekwa chap. Ha, Baba them, I miss you. Ndekwa very good. Bonkelebe, sushi.
You don't look like near 50 at all. What is the secret?
The secret is this: I don't allow anything to weigh down my spirit. And the truth is that my past and my present, when I remember my past, I'm always happy. No matter the situation I find myself, happiness heals everything. Whether you have money or you don't get money, you get anything, just be happy. Because one thing when I don't find out, when you think too much, you will be depressed. So that's why happiness surpasses everything. That's why I'm a happy person.
Tell us your names. Where did that? First of all, if I won't write your name now, I'll write Daddy Showkey. Is that the real name your parents gave you?
My name, Showkey. And my grandmother gave me that name, Showkey. And my grandmother, they call me Showkey. My name is Showkey. Then, when we start music, they do music, me and my friends. So when we release our record, now one musician, one man, I be our producer that time. Now he come tell me, say, if I can't grow rich, man, they call me Showkey. Now I can't change my name to Showkey. He say me I be key to the show because I made the open show that time. They can't change that person I be Danny Wilson.
Okay.
I ain't change my name. to Showkey. And through me, I be key. Why in give me that name? They say every problem, me I get solution. Because me I go for street as a street boy. You understand? So every situation until they happen, that time they come play for Ajegule, me I'll call my boys, my gang. We will go there, we will block the everybody when I give us something. You don't understand? But I don't know, say, myself I will become big musician. When Nigeria go know where the world go know. If to say I know, I no go do all those things.
Daddy Showkey, let's go back to the streets.
Yes.
Your parents, you say you be street boy.
Mm.
How did a beautiful baby become a street boy?
What happened? He said, I lost my dad when I be 8 years old. And that time, before that time, as I can remember, I started to entertain 1970, 1976. I was just 6 years old. That time my dad would carry me. My dad na show promoter. And my dad na banker and insurance. My dad they do so many businesses. So at that very point, when I lost my dad for 1978, my mom na just teacher. And me, I be boy, they no quick let me know say my dad don't die. Because I dey very close to my dad. Every Sunday, my dad go sew cloth, if he from Delta, come Lagos. From Bendel that time, come Lagos. The cloth my papa wear, let me I go wear. We'll go church. So I come surprise, say, my papa no dey come. Mama go dey sew new cloth for me. Oh, Flossie, baby, the most beautiful. Mama go dey sew new cloth for me for Sunday. Make I take go church. I'm going to see my papa dey come. Until one day, I dey come from school. I know our club, we live for up house. We live for upstairs. For our compound, for our Ajegule. So I can't dey climb the step, they come. I can't hear my mama dey cry. I can't dey call my papa name. Mama no know say I dey for door. That's why I tell you say my papa don't die. That annoyance, mama no know this, That annoyance, now I take run come off house, go Ijora. I know, I felt run, go railway. For railway because I dey do acrobat that time. That time I go be like 9 years, I dey go 10 years that time, 9, 10 years. Sha. I know 79, 78. That's why I come run. Because I dey go do show for market. After I don't lost my dad, the people they go to school, I go they do show for market. So from that place, now I can't go for inside market. From that place, I go market, I go hang out with people for market. Before you they know, that's what they run. They go to say, that's what I did for street. Nobody say, my mother try her best to take care of me. But me, I believe my man a woman. Me, I will take care of my mama. From small, my mama can testify to this. I dey do show, I dey save money to make sure, see, oh, my man agree take the money. Because we say, for what they get money.
I say she be a teacher. Was there any time she said, stop, you need to go back to school, you need to, how did she try her best? What are those efforts that she made?
My mom tried the way she can try. But one thing where my mom no do, you say my mom no tell me, say, my mom no try to stop me from entertainment. Mama no want to drive my friends because mama believe say as him the teacher, in one this be say if to take care of everybody. So sometimes mama go dey cancel us. Mama na tell no say you cancel a child. You understand? So mama not different human being.
How many children she born with your dad?
Mama born 4 children. I may be last. I'm the last born. My mother children, but my father get almost 9 children. But for my father children, I'll be like number 6. That would be.
Okay. So your siblings, uncle, how they take see you that time?
My brothers, say me, my brothers, when my father died, they carry some of my brother go Benin, Then some go live with my mama, brothers there. But my grandma not to allow me go live with my people there. My grandma, it won't be say anywhere where in the now must day. But after my grandma come allow me go live with his sister Pekin, because of which my grandma may teach me how to fight.
Which kind of fight with that one?
Boxing.
Okay.
May teach me boxing because that time I get too much energy. That's why I start to learn boxing. My mother cousin, when they call Showboy. Now there my name Showkey they come go. Because they call me John Showboy Pekin. Now my grandma can say, now Showkey be that now. Now there my name Showkey they come because they call me John Showboy Pekin. Showboy now be my uncle. So now he teach me boxing. Now from there my grandma. Now the only person my grandma they comfortable. My grandma believe say if I go, my papa people will carry me. But everybody they feel carry, but me, I like Jata no agree. And it pain me say in the beginning of my career, now my grandma fall sick. They can't carry and go Bini. They can't go live with my uncle. So the day when I carry my cassette, my solo album, go show my grandma for Benin. Then my grandma come pray, come bless her. Now my grandma come tell me one word with my language. Say, hey John, menema. Say, Yawamerona. Say, na go in this so. Say no go. Say mere. Say no go day again to guide me. Oh. Say, hey. Say because if they arrest me for anywhere, my grandma must come. They know they owe me. Jata, iron lady. You understand? So she come. They tell me say now she won't go. Now that I don't know say my grandma won't die. You understand? But she can't pray for my music. She can't pray for my music. As she pray, she can't say, she can't tell me about her elder brother. Say, you know, I say her elder brother. But I don't want to tell her, say, her elder brother don't die since. She can't tell me, say, my brother no one let her go see her elder brother. You know, when she tell me the thing, I don't know what I can come up from my eye, but I strong my body. Now she can't say, you mean if we be here, you say, I they cry. I tell her, say, no. I can't go. My brother can't. You can't call my brother. My brother won't come out. You can't call my brother. He say, we seen it. He say, my brother come. He say, me come here, I dey fear. Make my brother no see my hairstyle where I do. Because my hairstyle where I do that time, it be like a Krishna head. I get dot for my back, no be like dread like this now. So everywhere I go to my pass, I can't get one hair like the Mongols for here and for my back. So me I dey fear, I wear cap, I dey fear, make my brother no see my hair. So I dey wait before I enter go greet my grandmom. I dey wait, I don't know say my brother he go back for his house, come turn. I don't know say I still don't drive out. Then I enter. So my grandma come call my uncle. He come tell her say, listen. Say John, say me I don't do it. Take my life, John, they record no. Say John don't do record. Come carry the music. Come give my uncle. I tell my uncle say make him pray. Oh, I should tell my uncle now. I get to open my cap. See, as I pull my cap, the first thing will come out from my uncle's mouth. My cousin say, "Oh yeah, cheap boy." He say make him down, and he done. My uncle no complain about it. It doesn't mean in Jesus' name. That in Jesus' name, my uncle will come off my uncle's mouth. My uncle does they pray for me in respect of the way where I look. In rest, he does they pray for the cassette. Now, if say my uncle that day, just what nonsense is this? If I kill my spirit, I for stop music that day. Believe me, because that my uncle, now be the only person way I believe say if he tell me say stop this, I go dey fear because the man now. Disciplinarian, but now humble man. No matter anything, the man they contented with what he get. So as he does talk say in Jesus' name, he start to pray for the cassette. I said, I don't make up. I don't make up. Because if say that very day, because that my uncle they among the people where they call scold me in those days about say the kind of life where they live. But that day, I think saying go back to the kind of life where they live. He not talk like that. He just pray for the music. As he does talk, I don't look my grandma. My grandma look me. My grandma like, say, make I no worry. Immediately, my uncle can count 5,000 naira. Give me, make I take enter transport for Benin. Come back to Lagos. Say, go. He come buy my cassette. with that 5,000. Saying, he take that, he buy the cassette too, and but he still give me the cassette back. He buy him, he say take and launch him. And so I come from there, I come check from that, then they call that place Ogida. Who say quarters. I can't check from that place. Go reach Yaro. I don't enter motor. I check, follow TV, one place, TV, follow and waka, na leg at waka, but they don't know na leg because me had a check, me have Ajegule boy. So as I reach for that place, that Yaro, I see go me young shall grow there. Young shall grow motor. I do green. Then Ajegule they load. I enter attachment. I reach AJ. Everywhere don't want. They don't play my music for radio. I go to knock with door. You know, hear my music for radio. No, you say they play my music for radio. I want to know they fear me that time. They fear me because of street. Now I have a street. So some people no believe. Say I don't do record. That day they come they push everybody. People Ajegule first buy my music because of my person. And now themselves be the people we really. That's why if I talk about Ajegule, people don't understand. I talk about Ajegule because of the way I grow and the way we don't get hope, so it will be anything. You see, for Ajegule, many of us we need like to talk to because we look today, we don't find, and I shaky, we they look me. I want to leave that one. We suffer. You understand? For the street, so. That time, everybody for Ajegule, you know, they say John don't do. Then they come to Ajegule, they say, you know, they say John they don't do record. John, they don't do record. John don't do record. That thing, for my first album, 1990, me and my friends then, that's so people from my area go buy that record before I can do my own solo album. You see, now my grandmom, still, as my name they ring, my grandmom can they remember things again. But only the last one, John and Yamerona, I said, I'm going to change my life. Because that time, my brother, if sometimes mama, they hear me, they talk some kind of way, mama go to choke, when did you do this? When did you do this? But I tell her, I say, just thank God, say, you know, take my life for straight. Because me, I'm a child, we go for in destiny. And I'm in this entertainment. And they tell people, now 45 years, this year will be 45 years where I start to be entertained. 45 years. 6 years old, 1976. I start, that's why I Tejumo Louis, will be KBSC for village headmaster that time. He see me for a road for where they do acrobat. That's why he carry me. He give me paper, make a call for Poton cabin in office for NTA. That's why I start to go to do acrobat for village headmaster. You understand? So my journey no be today. Now just God, because me I be Johnny. My name is John. So now Johnny, I don't want to call her Johnny. I've computer, but they promote them.
Which song they for that cassette where them pray for? Can you sing that song for us?
Congratulations and jubilation, celebration in our nation. Unuyami, congratulations, everybody, and jubilation, celebration in our nation. Unubi sing my song, welcome, Daddy Showkey, welcome, welcome, Daddy Showkey, welcome, welcome, Daddy Showkey, welcome, welcome, Daddy Showkey, welcome. And when you go a long time, welcome me, for me yard indicator. Hello, mommy, hello, daddy.
Welcome. Daddy Showkey. Yeah. So that time, your uncle no question all these talents. He accepts you the way you do.
No. My uncle one part, he say, my uncle know everything when I do from my childhood. He know about my they call them panyon where they do. Sometimes we go do magic inside market. Me and my friends, I go they do show. If I do show, my friend they go they do a kanapa. So if I do show, sometimes when I do show, everybody go come gather. Where will they go do show now for ending of the month? Where that time they collect pay packet. That pay packet na envelope they get who. So if I now for market, with the way say market, and that time they go do shopping. So we'll go for a center of market. So I don't do. People will come gather. They will come. They look. That time when they look now,
Sabi boys, man, come to me, so I she. Then go they do a kana. You might have a kana. They go they oh. So if you don't do finish, all of us go enter inside Kaswa. Everybody can put everything where they collect for trade. But me na the money where they spray, na me I dey take. I need take that one because that one not be my life. All those paper packets, I don't one day take 1 naira. Because that's why when I finish secondary school, I go find work for a security company. They come to say a thief dog. They come beat me, go to Papa police station. When they beat me, reach Papa police station, I never forget that thing for my life. They come say a thief, German Shepherd. I don't know what in the German Shepherd because we they call every foreign dog police dog. We don't know whether they get Alsatian, they get Rottweiler, they get Ken Koso, they get Pitbull. We don't know. All of them. They call say a thief German Shepherd. Me, I call it say a thief person. Because na German Shepherd. Shepherd, na person where they follow sheep. I call it say a thief person. They beat me. But you know what thing saved me? Now one police woman. That woman, I look for her until today. Make you know say na me, John, be daddy shoot. The woman come for that police station for her papa as they enter, as they put me for ground for the counter. When they put me for ground, they don't beat blood through my body. And now my sister, I tell my sister, my auntie, that time, my senior sister, Montevigo, I tell her, I say, I think Montevigo, I know they work. He forced me. Now, I write application. I don't sabi write application. I write application. He come put number 2 in Berlin. Ajegule a papa. That number 2 in Berlin will be the address where they put. Now, I made them see a chief dog. Because they see Ajegule a papa for there. And now for a papa, the thing happen. They can't carry me go that police station. But you see where that police woman, that auntie, they pay me. I say, I don't know where that auntie dey. I know say either go retire or go see them for police. That very faithful day, they come beat me. As I did for there, the woman does the enter. I say, what did this boy where they do like foul can't do for you? Now they say, he thief dog. He said, this one know the thief now. Say if you say he go do show, people call the pickpocket. He said, if you say he go do show, people call the pickpocket. I go agree, say yes, not true. But say this boy go thief, say this boy know the thief. Now they come, as we does the woman does they talk that word. Now so one of the security from the security, I don't want to call the security company name. They come from their office. They come whisper for the manager. Yes, say they don't see the dog. Say now one of their security take the dogs through. And they don't beat me. Then the woman say in talk, and they talk when talk because they whisper for the man here. The man can say, we withdraw the case. Then the man say, you will withdraw the case for waiting. The boy not a thief. Then the man say, they don't see the not let police woman slap you. Now the woman he give the man joy. The man let go for grant. He said they must pay me damages. I don't know what they pay damages. The auntie on the drug and the auntie can tell me, say, make I no work for anybody for my life. Say this my work. This kukuruku where they do. What they do? What they do? He say if you carry me, I will become person for my life. They say to my grandmother, Jata, they tell me, are your lady? Like that auntie tell me. My motto now from ghetto to grace. Many people they shame to talk about their past because presently they drive big car, they wear better clothes, and they shame. You know how many times people don't want to use my past blackmail me. Some people will don't come, and you know say many people are there for this social media. Once they talk, they're not going to wait to hear word from even the other person. They will crucify you. If to say many of them they back then in those days, nobody for them talk to me. But I need to go back to the name where they do show, where we show key. Now I can't change that the Showkey because See, many people, like one journalist where they call Ogbonaya Amadi, is late now. Now be the person gone, where cancel me, where change me, where make me know say I can become something with my late elder brother Jeffrey. Because my late elder brother get believe in me. That time, I know they wear better clothes now. I wear 30 clothes and they call that from artists performing against poverty in Africa. But I don't say maybe I perform against the poverty for my whole life that time. You don't understand? But my brother, because my brother, my brother death affect me well because my brother they write. Me, I don't go school. Me, I don't sabi write. I don't sabi read. Me, I need to take paper, write music. If I enter studio, I say, Showkey again. I don't they sing. But today now, because people they write, that be my problem. I don't sabi write. But I know I don't learn how to read small. I write small. Because now I be the confirmed made, the purely made. Understand? Because me, I agree, say I don't know. And I'm ready to learn from people, good people. Me, I need to emulate wrong people. I emulate positive people. I don't believe in you where you get money, where you feel happy. I believe, say, the little way I get, I think I can change people's life. That's why when somebody come, you need money, I'm not going to answer you. You must tell me what you want to do, where I go support you the way I go assist you. Like, you know, I want to use this opportunity to ask how many big men who were there. Some big men, they call themselves big men. Their brother no get. Their brother go come meet them, say, brother, I no get. They go come take and they go see money. They come beg me money. But you don't forget that your brother, mama go put food for plate. Una go eat from the same plate. Una they live from one room with una parents. Today, because you don't get one position, we say that your brother self-sacrifice to pay for your school fees. Now you they take and they mock because say you get. How many, like me, I know rich, but today, that's why I need like to tell people what I want to do, because many people steal my ideas. The thing where that's why I always tell my children, I tell everybody, we get education is the key. If you pick education, nobody can change you. But me, when they don't fit change me again, they say me I be a door for street. They don't fit.
All those, it's like your era, like you said, was the key to open Ajegule music.
Yes.
Because after your Showkey music, because they hear me, I don't jogolo, all them Africa, China, all these boys emerged. How did it make you feel?
It gives me joy because young children, they grow. Because all these people you call, they be young boys when it comes to where I did. And from the where they come from the beating where I don't receive, where they come from, I thank God. Because see, I always talk, say, that time, if people go for archives, for maybe for our media houses, then may they go see my old interviews. I always tell them, say, I be John the Baptist, where they preach about the coming of Jesus Christ. But I said I don't cut my head, though, as I cut John the Baptist's head. But I preach for the coming of great talent when they for Ajegule. Not be me. I don't want to talk, say, I be king of this. I be messenger. You understand? And a messenger, they can't deliver the message where people send her. If to say, I deny, say I come from Ajegule, today, many children go, they deny, say they come from there. And many people go, they deny their own area self. I'm the first person, and I sit boldly and say it. When you come out publicly, say Ajegule. And I not do it because of, say, Ajegule better pass other people area. No. I do it because, say, from that day when they beat me for that position, say I thief dog, because of my address, number 2, Mbale, Ajegule Papa. Then beat me. They lay allegation for my head because I grow from Ajegule, because I come from Ajegule, because of the impression where people from outside there get. Say, now only thief and armed robbers, they grow for Ajegule. Today, that very day, that 95 for Fame Music Award, now there my life change. Now there I become Daddy Showkey, where the whole world come they know my name. Because I forfeit take the award, thank the people go. But I don't shout, Ajegule! Everywhere, everybody. This one will come, I come from Mushin. This one will come, I come from here. This one will come, I come from here. But no be competition. Now just to let children, where they come from places where people fit to feel say no good thing can come. Say yes, good thing can come.
So all these vices where young children they do now, like they don't come out for gear. They do 19, some day for ritual, different. What do you have to say?
You see the mistake where you they do, where people they do. This thing they from right from time. It's not be say we there for social media age, where then they put them for social media, and they catch this I do ritual. They catch this one I do. Where did be the word bomber?
Kidnapper.
Bomber. Now person where they go kidnap Peking, they can go do ritual. It there right from time. Not be today. You understand? It be like person where they talk for one night. Waiting be why you? Waiting be why you? Waiting be wuru. So if you know day that time, idiom to qualify am no go day. So a lot of people no. See, and make I tell you the problem is say most of us with the show wealth, with the flaunt wealth, these children they see us. And you see, today, BBC, na British Broadcasting Service. Then they propagate Britain, Great Britain. Our own people, now only ritual they show for film. Like say everybody from Nigeria, na ritualist. Many of us won't go UK because of what we watch for television. Many of us they go America because of what we watch for American film. So, waiting you they propagate matters a lot. You understand? I know so many people don't go like this when I talk, but now the truth. See, when I release record, I can first of all say, oh God, no, fire and die, you kill him, oh, kill anybody where you cost me. I go kill it because I know where they come from. But I can't think of. I get a lot of children waiting for back where they watch me. That time, I first congratulate myself. I first jubilate for myself. I can't do welcome, Daddy Showkey, welcome. But inside that record, my baba will be bongo sikwe. I take one of his songs because that his song now keep me alive. That his song now keep me alive. And that song I can't take him. Put for one of my songs. What's gonna be is gonna be. What goes up must come down. What's gonna be is gonna be. There's nothing you can do about it. The sound of the gun. People don't live long when the gun gets shot. That song now dedicated to my friends who die for street. Radio no gree play the song. Because I say sound of the gun. People don't live long when the gun gets shot. That song now my friends, they when they born. Ajegule, family, people, community start to execute people. They go carry you, they go burn you, they go kill you. But true, now God save me. Because those people didn't kill. Many of them, now my party then. That's why today, I know they shame to talk about my past. If you don't like me, I don't care. But I talk the truth. Maybe go change one begin life. What these children they need people to talk how they take grow, how they take suffer. But you they flaunt word. The picking that is and I saw it be. And that, but that not justify you to go kill somebody. Won't carry your mama do ritual. I mean, how old picking you be? Now your mate they draw. Now your mate they struggle to become go school today. So the system, first of all, now the government is the problem.
How?
Because they don't make the ground dey conducive for the people.
All these things you don't sing them for song like te.
My dear,
That time when you dey sing them for song and now, wetin be the difference of between that time and now when una dey sing am?
see, the truth be say, a society where you only listen to people where you claim say them go school, but they're not there exposed. A society where you dey take educational qualification, they justify success. No problem. You go look a person will get handwork like failure. You go see somebody where be plumber or tiler. You go dey laugh and say an ordinary tiler. A person drop out of school, you tell her say life don't finish. Life no finish. Because that person can go to vocational education. So our problem now be say people wey dey for government, they don't get any idea. All them go there now to collect money, quote me na me Showkey, they don't get any idea. And the thing they pay me for, they talk am every time. They don't get any idea. Because if they don't enter that position, they don't carry mopo, carry people who go dey lie for them, then go isolate themselves from the truth and the people who go tell them truth. If for Nigeria, if you advise government, they go take am like insult. If I talk word, if you know like I invite me, not intimidate me. You go come take your security agent to intimidate people. Who go come tell you truth? That's why Nigeria go only good from the day where people remember saying that people elect them. People not really elect them. That's why they don't care about the people. Because they know say whether you like your talk from today, waiting you go be, waiting they go be. Your election not count. But right now, I want to tell people, go get your PVC. No vote for that person where you don't like. No vote for them. Whether the election count or you not count, your mind no say I no vote for you. I no vote for you. No matter whether they your party, if you not good, I no vote for you.
You start your music during military era.
Yeah.
And this is democracy. Do you see any difference between the military and democracy?
I cannot lie for you. Then be the same thing. They only change uniform. Then be the same thing. See, I can tell you, the problem where we get, they say the military, they had no idea. They were military people, but they did not have any idea to even go, before you overthrow, you should have a plan and a strategy, what you want to do for the country. They only come. That's why when I hear Nigerians, they talk about bully. Nigerians have been bullied from time. Even people in politics today, they bully people to vote for you. Anybody when they do your own are your enemy. My dear, if you they contest for something, I campaign for you. If you don't do well, I'm not gonna tell you say what you do. You people they tell me say you not do well. So you person where they tell me say I cannot vote for one person, you don't get the right to tell me not to vote for one person. But if that person when I vote for not do well, I get the right to tell and say, oh boy, you do not do well, no. You don't fumble. But for Nigeria, they will come. No.
But some musicians they help promote some candidates when then
those musicians get right. I go tell you, they get right to promote anybody where they want to promote. Not their opinion. Now what them feel. They get right. You understand? If you not like this person, no means I don't go like her. But if that person do bad, I go talk. If he do good, I go talk. You sure say the person where you tell me say good, so you sure say not be saying they can't do they do make him enter there, make you see in character. Whether you go feel near that for that chair, once you don't enter, I only psycho fans that you will see. And that be the problem where people wait for Nigerian government get today. That be the problem where they get. They isolate themselves from the truth. Because see, I be Showkey. I get friends. My old friends, I need to take them play. My old friends, they go call me sometimes. Sure. You know they do like this before. Now wait here. Now be friend. No be when you they see me say I they go astray, you they praise me, I they die. All of them wait there for government. All of them. They're not they like to hear truth. Because truth be like insult for them. Until the day when they make this country a level ground, let every child get that opportunity. My dear, anything where no favor big man, now bad thing because now poor man in favor. This social media will be the only place where people before people they oppressed, they need a fit talk. Social media now, where they go talk, government one banner. Because of say no be their children, they run am. You know how many child, how many family where social media don't make their children build house, their children. Now, this one they don't do Yahoo. Then they be content creators. Then they build things. If to say now one government official picking, now him do am, or one big man, one billionaire picking, now him do am. In papa na this, in papa na this. Waiting no favor rich man for Nigeria na bad thing. Now be the problem. Like me now, if to say I know strong, I know how many years. Sometimes they go tell a radio, maybe they don't play my music. They go tell people say, maybe they don't put my music for television. But she frame on the say, I don't go forget that man for my life. The man hold the bull by the horn, telling people say, make them promote me. Now make me my name fit enter people man. Then make my name fit enter people mouth. And me, I be poor. My mama na those ordinary teacher. We be like after she retired for many years, in gratuity, if no be power where I use, they don't go give her.
So that means say that people wait for your mama says with them.
Many of them never collect their pension.
So if, for instance, if you have the opportunity to be in government, waiting be the first 3 things where you go change.
Make I just tell you the truth. The only government where I go where I be, I just make this decision. I confirm made my platform where I just open. Because I first established one thing where they call do good movement. People frustrate them. Do good movement. Now movement of Nigerians who are ready to do good. If you no want good, they your own. This group like good. Do good movement when they do good. When I want to register the thing, because of the word movement, they refuse to register that. We not be movement to fight government. We be movement we want to do good. In the presence of you people we not like good, we want to do good. After them frustrate do good movement, I can open Lion Clan Foundation. Lion Clan Foundation are my foundation. When I open it, because many years I know they try to open foundation, they tell me, say, I must go get this big man for the board, this one for the board. And those people, I not finish them. I go open board for people where I not finish. The time when I can go tell some people, they can't go use, I know call name, they can't go use my idea for another musician. But that musician, no be that issue. He no grow for Ajegule. He no get story, no get history like me. Then I go back. But when this social media come, God can't do. I can meet a lot of positive-minded Nigerians. See, Nigeria get positive-minded Nigerians all over the world. Now they can't talk about do good movement. When will they talk about do good movement? I can't find out say every day people go they say Nigeria no good, Nigeria no good, Nigeria no good. What do you they do safe for Nigeria to good? What do you as a human being they do for Nigeria to good? Now we come from do good movement. That do good movement, I can't get one endorsement from one big media company. All the money where they pay me, I think I can buy houses for Ajegule. This thing they affect my family today. They quarrel with me. I come they find people we no get I will get accommodation problem. I can't say, make them live for the house. Say, but after 6 months, you go, you work, you go rent house. So anybody will get accommodation problem will give them. My dear, some people live for the house 5 years now, they don't come out. But we go drive them. But that time I can't try to raise some money against me, we'll go buy another house. This one can happen now. They say we'll go do school for the account. That's so then for sale, no green open account for us. Money there for the account, we no fit touch am. Now all over the world, all do good movement, people come they say, make I do one thing, they say now go fund me, go fund me. Go for because they say go fund me, I say na meal na food they talk. Meal no be food. They say go fund me. I can't tell them say I know if do am because I don't get any means to collect the money one. And I would like first of all before we do am make a form board we go fit coordinator because money na devil. Na there we take una. But I still get my dream. We be confirm what made.
Wetin confirm made me?
Confirm made na be this. I'm a confirm made. I'm in Nigeria. I believe in Nigeria. I believe that Nigerian can do something good. Not because one person is bad means that everybody is bad in Nigeria. And that is one mentality which will change. It does not mean that's why somebody abroad will see you as a Nigerian holding a Nigerian passport. They want to stigmatize you. It does not mean do you know how many Americans they hold for drug in other countries? It does not mean every American is a drug dealer. Do you know how many British people they hold in another country committing some crime? It does not mean everybody in the UK is a crime person. You understand me? So you should not judge every Nigerian that every Nigerian is a fraudster. I've never done for in my life, and I will never do for in my life.
So that is Showkey. I remember when you started your music, and there was this clash or when you became popular. Let me use it that way. There was this clash in Ajegule where it was a tribal clash, and you released the music at that time. Nigeria is, let me not use big grammar because I won't use the word precipice. Nigeria is at the tipping edge of that tribal divide.
Yes.
People are not seeing themselves and or the good in being or associating themselves with the word called Nigeria.
Yes.
What do you have to say about that cultural?
See, let me tell you. This is a very sensitive issue, and I'm going to answer you very, very blunt. I don't know an English idiom to justify this thing I want to tell you, but I'm going to give it a name that tomorrow it will be in encyclopedia. The type of government we practice in Nigeria is called tribalcracy, not democracy. It's called tribalcracy. I don't know, that word is not in the dictionary. It's my word to justify, the idiom to qualify the type of government we run. You see, the average Nigerian, we are people that want to seek citizenship of other countries. We are people that want to travel to another country and start insulting our own country. Outside the country, there's no tribal boundaries. But within the country, you are an Igbo man, you are a Hausa man. That's why I tell you, all the prof in Nigeria, for me, they are not exposed. All the people serving in government, they are not exposed. They go abroad, they don't learn. First of all, scrap state of origin. Cancel state of origin. I was born in Lagos. I lived in Lagos almost all my life. You understand me? Yes, I have the same. There's nothing like a Lagosian. I was born and brought up in Lagos. Where do you want to take me to? So if somebody, an Igbo person, is born in the north, is the north a different country? So that tribal boundary has been there right from time. It's not that We don't have solid leaders that can make solid decisions. How can you travel out of Nigeria? You are coming into your country. They will ask you, with a Nigerian passport, they will ask you to stamp your passport to come into your country. If you, as a British citizen, you are coming into the UK, you walk into your country because that is your country where you reside. In Nigeria, you treat your citizens as second class. They are not even second class citizens. No Nigerian has right in Nigeria. No Nigerian has right in Nigeria because your right is nothing. Even in the president of the government, your right is nothing. If your right is something, you don't need to ask me your state of origin. If you want to really judge my state of origin, it's Lagos State because I was born here in Lagos. You understand me? You that person in that government, you have foreign nationality too. You understand me? And that is the problem we have in our country. I tell people, if Nigeria breaks, every street will become a country. You will be surprised. Because you don't solve solution with war. You won't. Right now, something is going on, people don't know. You are killing your people. The people you are saying you want to rule, you are killing them. You are bullying them to stay at home. So what kind of country do you want to are you talking about? A country where the same thing you are saying, people cannot talk in Nigeria, people cannot talk there. A country where you have not succeeded. You are telling people, I will kill you, I will kill you, I will kill you. When you will say, I will kill you. No. The problem of Nigeria is we Nigerians. It's we. Because if they put you in power now, you will think of yourself and your family. You will see, as a young man that wants to go into politics, you will say, first of all, I'll buy one car. I'll build a house. No intention for the people. That's why do good movement is different.
That is Showkey. This way where you be now, no be the way where I take no you before you get one pack. And you chop the pass like this. In fact, when I enter, see you, I say, what this man don't pass 50 now? Wetin happen? You get any reason where you take trim down different from as it be before?
First of all, the way you take know me from the beginning, I get muscular. I get muscles around my body when I grow. Because I fight boxing, I do sports, but I get cut for my body. But what really happened, we say for 2007, I get accident. I run my car on that trailer for Ikosi Road here. Or those no be trailer, those payloader where they carry dirty for that Ikosi Road that they come from Island. I go to maintain birthday. So as they come, I think say the car they will move. No, say the car spin, so I run under the car, me and my manager and some people. So from that time, I could not work for 3 years at the hospital.
Where the accident? What part of your body did they affect?
My spinal cord.
Oh.
My spine. So for that 3 years, for where I did, now there at the shop, now there at the sheet, now there at the piece, now there I need to come up for there. For 3 years, I did for hospital outside Nigeria. You understand? So in that process, I can't add weight. After 3 years, I couldn't learn how to walk again. I couldn't learn how to walk. God so kind. God couldn't you say they use some laser technology. Then they treat me with iron day my back for years. So doctors can't stop me from dancing. I can't stop dancing. I can't add weight. That process, people will say, they shop money. But that time, I dey go to hell. I no fit walk. I no go sing. I want take chop. Me and my family, we dey go through, no be small thing, before I can relocate with my friends. After I come back for hospital 2010. Then I come back from hospital. When I come back that time, Sonoko so don't die, Oliver the Cook don't die, Dr. Orlando was don't die that time. So many people would ask me, say, Showkey, what happen? We know they hear from you, we know they see what happen. The thing come make me vex. Say, if to say a drug I carry now, the whole media go carry am. Everybody go carry am. I dey for hospital for 3 years. Nobody carry am. And that's why I come say, I no go do music again. But in the process, say I say I no go do music again, I don't really get money, I don't really get anything again. I can't go Delta. Me and my friend Jojo and Cashman. I can't tell them say I dey relocate. My wife said they fear. Because you know say I don't tell her say if I reach 40, I will go village. And that time I just clock 40 years. That time that year I go be 40. So every time I tell her say if I reach 40, I go go village. True. I can't relocate, go Delta. That's my wife, they call everybody, they talk. But that process when I go that Delta, I come, they hustle. Me and my friends. That's why I take enter business. I can do some businesses. But
Like
I go come to that one. My business, I can set up my own little oil company too. I can do small business. That oil company is called Offer Oil and Gas. Because they do small business. From there, go come make one Baba, Chief Wellington Okrika for the super deck for data. He said when they give us small job. Now the Baba na help me. We are going to try to the bounce back. I can't do for data. But still, I still think get as it be. I can't meet one of my good friend. They call him Besimi, a young woman. In the do contract for some oil companies. And so I can't go to work with them. They pay me salary. They build badges that time. So I can then I can they help me, they teach me business. So I can come back for Ajegule. I can carry some of my friends, them, Baba them, all my men. Because that time, now me all of them they rely on. So we take relocate go data. We can they work. I work. I forget say I be that Showkey. I work. Now for that process, where they work, one of the guy for the company where they go do labor. Where they do interlocking for one company. The man can see me because this person had that Showkey. He can't look me. He can't come and say, come. I can't go. They say, what I can't do here? I said, now where they do this thing. He said, He called the people. He said, make I enter your office. I enter your office. I call and say, now my Oga, when my Oga notice I want to take
you work from her.
I can't come Oga. That's why you can increase my Oga business for there. So my Oga now can't stop me. Now my business now I want to tell you. My Oga can't stop me. My Oga can't give me he can't give me big money. Because he make me at the supply marine paint to our company. That's why me I can go for coconut. Proof since people did there. I will go for coconut. I will buy marine paint. I will carry for trailer, go data. Morgan no say I put instead me make I put my own commission plus transport. Now so I take come bounce back. That time when I get this problem, no less Sami Oposo. No less Sami Oposo. And Pasuma. I'm the only friend that I get. Sami, when I come back for hospital, Sami Oposo stand for me. He said, my brother, no worry. Things will go again. Yeah, it was really hard for me and my family. But person just cover secret. You understand?
People go through these things and sometimes nobody.
They know they feel talking because they think say people go mock them. But me, I don't care whether he mock me. I don't care.
So how you they pay your hospital bill for another country? That's like
my dear, if I talk this one now, God's will Akpabio. If anybody like me talk bad about God's will Akpabio. God's will Akpabio. Through one doctor he said, now he helped me. The thing Akpabio do for me, I don't be forgetting for my life till I go die. No matter anything when they talk about God's will Akpabio. Now Akpabio, Even if not be Akpabio, I follow Waka again. Na Akpabio pay my hospital bill. Na him pay my hospital bill. As I come back sef, to come see and come dey hard me. That man, Dr. Ancient, is in there alive for Akwa Ibom. That's why till today, anybody will be Akwa Ibom person when I say Akwa Ibom are okay. Once you be Akwa Ibom person, because of that good way God's will do for me, I must do good for you.
What of the other people were there with you in the vehicle? They're no wounds, they're no.
They, you know, say me I get me I be I no lie for you, I be paying the insurance. I get better insurance for body. I be paying the person. I know they joke with my tradition and my religion. Believe me. So unfortunately for me, when that incident happened, now me carry everybody go hospital. So I dey bleed inside. Blood no fit come out for my body, but then bleed outside. So when I reach house, as a strong man, but where I sleep, blood no fit come out. So blood come kick, come affect my spine. So I need to, as a spiritual, I need to call ancestors, say my ancestors, I want to let make the injection enter my body. And it will not be so. Now wheelchair for the wakana. That's why anything where you dey do, when you get antidote. You understand?
So now that business now you still dey.
So that business, now so I think start the business. But apart from that, I think later my oga come tell me say I need to go back for waiting God dey bless me with entertainment.
Who be your oga?
Bless me. You understand? And God come bring another person, maybe a bossa. Then two come from the same place. You no go believe me. This is my two oga there. That's Awarishe. Awarishe, na person where I look say God send come to change my life. Himself come believe in me. Even the extent he can't come and say I must do record again. But that time my body no there to do record. Now my body not ready to do records because I don't try to joy full my body. If I'm not happy, I don't feel sick. But now I want to do movie. I don't shoot. I did one movie now. 7. Oh boy, I did the movie now. Go watch at 7. 7. Go watch and you go see me for 7. You understand? So that movie don't show me say I get potential. And many of my stories for street, I want to turn them to film. No be my own story. No, my own story will change children's life. It will give them hope. And I thank God with the crew where I get. Now money does the whole us now. Won't do movie. And I know say my people, they will support. You understand? And this movie, if you like, if he's superstar in our business, I will discover fresh people. First, we were the Arab before. We will teach her how to act. You go ask the Arab for the film.
It's true.
You understand? That is the only way you can change people's life. You give people when you get hope. You go give street kids them hope. The way where I want to screen people to act on my movie, it go be like a reality show. I don't know. I don't go school. I don't feel right. But if you like, make anybody go thief my idea. It don't do for BBC record say I talk. You say why I look good?
Trim.
Why I look trim? Like some 2019, then diagnosed me for diabetes. They say I get diabetes. So when I get to the hospital for Asaba, one of the doctors contact me say, Baba, you go advise me something. Dr. Enoch, say you go advise me something. Make I do exercise. Now there, I can't start to the waka for the hospital. I can't say my sugar level they go down. This thing work. That's what I say in a lie. Me, I used to be a boxer. So waiting I go do. I know Sabi play long tennis. I know Sabi play football. The only thing when I Sabi na boxing. So I say okay, boxing get exercises. That's why I started to do shadow boxing. Today you go see many celebrities they do boxing. They know they watch what they do because now that boxing, I not on the jog because that time I get weight. So they tell me say make I know the jog because to burn the fat. So I not on the jog. I can't do walking. Every time if I walk only 20 minutes, I say, hey. My neighbors, some women from my neighborhood, they can't join me. So we call the waka. Some of them, they can't drop because people, they laugh, they say they're too fast. They drop. But me, I don't care. Today, you not going to believe, say, I go Europe. I do test. Doctors tell me, say, Mr. Simon, you are not diabetic. Diabetes is not in my body again. Because the earlier stages, you can save yourself from all these things. So I always tell people, I exercise. I don't do any operation. I feel my belly for you. I don't do any operation. I don't go suck power. I don't go suck fat. I don't do it. Now waka. Now the last one, I waka from my house to go reach Ajegule.
How long does it take you?
That one is 6 hours. That normally na 6 hours. I mean that 6 hours, 50 something minutes. But I walk around 5 hours 51 minutes.
Boys, they see you for road.
They see me, but I don't send them because I wear my this thing. But later when they go discover, they don't block me for road from here until I reach Ijesha. Then some boys they come carry Okada, they want somebody, but they regret and sha. So
you talk about Samuel Koso. Sorry if I cut you. And recently Samuel Koso did news.
Yes.
You know, a lot of things don't do there, especially with celebrities.
Yes.
Or journalists, we they talk say 1 week one celebrity we go be again. It can be like say now anytime when they get problem, then they social media give everybody the gist of their problem. Then go they social media apologize for their problem. Then go so what do you make of this kind of?
You see, make I tell you for life, nobody they above temptation. Nobody they above problem. It pain me for what happened to my brother because why it pain me, say I call him. I dey call him since that time, he no pick my call. I dey call him because I want to talk to him because at that time he need me more. Because the thing will happen for him. I be one verse. Now my guys they tell me say man no verse. I be one verse for people. Because you see, let me tell you, in this life, ups and downs, they come for person's life. Especially those people who call themselves Christians. Church people. What be Christianity? Me, I'm a man Christian. But me, I believe in African culture and tradition. Elegunumi, I like masquerade. Abioje. I'm not there against you, not there against me. For only Nigeria now you go see man where he sham. Police go parade person push sham. Sham na crime. Sham no be crime. Now you're not there believe. No be crime. But make I come back to the bone of contention. Maybe this is a question we ask. I call my brother. When I read, say, you get one church where they near my house here. They won't do one show. I come find and say, them come out Sammy for the poster of the show. I never know what thing they happen that time. I can't tell my people, say they don't come out Sammy for the poster of that church. Them no one tell me until I can't see it. I can't call my brother. Call Sammy. Because the time when I get problem, Sammy did there for me. But all these pastors then, for me, they fail. Because now issue will happen between a man and a wife. The thing, see, make I tell you, Nigerian and pastor, the band person say he commit sin. Not come church again because you commit sin. You, that pastor, not supposed to be a pastor anymore. Because your work not to convert people from sin. Any church where say he ban the pastor because say he sleep with person wife, you don't know say na devil. That person where you banned, you go cancel him. You go cancel him. Sorry, not cancel. You go cancel him. Because all of us, they commit sin. Many of them, they talk, say, that time when they're in the world. They don't tell you what they do when they're in the world. Many of them, they talk, say, there's some say they be arm robber before, they be this one before, they be this one before. You believe, say, God don't forgive you. Now you know if you forgive another person. The thing when I see for that matter, they say, believe me, if to say my brother call me, I go tell him, na family matter with that. First of all, I don't know whether I tell him wife. First of all, tell him wife. Now wife go spark before he go come do public apology. You understand? But I dey call my brother till today. He never pick my call. He go off Instagram, go off everything. I try to reach, I try to call him phone. I call him, till today, he no call me back. But now still my brother. And I go still dey there for him because he dey there for me. So, but I don't see this few they saying don't come back, but I don't want to call him until he call me. But the truth, they say, nobody there above him. Even the picking when they say, the woman where they say get belly, he no go call, the picking will call another person papa. Now still is a big go call papa. Don't kill me, so she.
As a celebrity, how they stay above? Because I never see any controversy surrounding. Honestly,
Don't be say I be perfect human being. No, I'm not a perfect human being. Because that one will know today, we will know one tomorrow. If he comes in and me self do. Don't be here every day. Now God now the safe person. Now God the victimized person come up for this temptation. For a year, will be me, I be my own be say I dey beg them. I be poor man picking. And my mama no get money. I don't get any big man. Now me be the big man will be for my people. I remember the time when I was small, where I want to go fight boxing. I want to go 1986, I'll be 16 years old. They say make I go bring what did they call them? Guarantor. I don't get guarantor, and I make them drop me. Today, now me be guarantor of Ajegule children.
when they fight boxing.
No be only boxing. Everything where they want go, they say, Baba, I want to go this thing. Baba, help me sign. I will sign.
Young people where they watch that the Showkey today, where they Ajegule, where still they do all those things, all those magic where they do that time. Those people where won't go 19 person. What message do you have for them?
First of all, they are my advice for these children. We believe say crime can be solution. Crime is never the solution because that crime, if they catch you, you go there for prison every day of your life. Person, where go kill person, go do ritual. If they catch you, your life don't stop. You go to prison every day of your life because you could say they even give you life jail. Say, no, they can't tell you say, they can't tell you say they will kill you as you keep person. You understand me? So the truth we say, crime, no, they solve anything. It's just say we come from a society where many of them don't lose hope. No lose hope. Me, I come from nothing. See, if you understand, if you say social media did the time when they grow, if you see the way many people they grow, you say if you go clap God for your own life. You understand? Not think say because you see somebody drive big car, he say easy. You understand? You where you go fraud somebody. You fraud somebody. That person children no go eat. Their livelihood don't stop. You think say tomorrow you no go get your own repercussion? You must get your own repercussion. So make everybody, especially when they pay me pass now this ritual killings where they go on. Somebody go cut somebody head. They say you. It is that the herbalist no like money. Why the herbalist no get money? They among the richest people in the world. It does they keep people for nothing. For nothing.
2023 they come. Anybody, maybe you know one of your guys who enter government. What will be the first 3 things we then concentrate on?
First of all, first concentrate on making the country a level playing ground where everybody fit exhibit in opportunity when you get, where everybody where they qualify for a position to come run the country. Bring people where you know pass you, bring them on board. Not do party politics where you go come to say this one. Bring people in merit to run the country. This the problem we get. They say we they forget. You cannot do what you don't know. You cannot bring a accountant come be minister of health. You must bring people, administrative people, different from a doctor. There's doctors where they be administrative people. You understand? I be Daddy Showkey, I be musician. I go say, I may be manager, I go manage myself. How can I be a manager? I be manager. My work not to sing and create businesses. Me, if you forget that I be genius when it comes to creating business, although I'm not rich, but my ideas wey dey this my head, this my brain wey get F9 parallel for school. First we go university, no get am.
Thank you very much,
Thank
Daddy
you, my
Showkey.
dear. God
Remain
bless
make you show us